Hi everyone! Have you ever thought about using lighted branches in your home decor? If you haven't, or maybe you have but you just haven't tried it yet, let me show you these LED Starburst lighted branches from Wintergreen Lighting. They're easy to set up, I'll show you how, and we've got some great display ideas we want to show you throughout the video. If you have used these Starbursts, leave a comment below and let us know how you've displayed them. Or better yet, tag our Instagram or Facebook accounts with photos of how you've used them. We'd love to see them. All right, let's get into it. Starburst lit branches are a versatile home decor item because the branches are fully bendable and shapeable. So you can arrange them into a wide array of styles. All you have to do out of the box is shape the branches how you want them. They're also versatile because they're lighted. Each branch is lit with brilliant LED wide-angle mini lights for maximum light and color saturation, meaning you can brighten dark corners or light up the color of any greenery or fabric or flowers you want to add to it. And you don't have to worry about placing these bulbs near your greenery. These are LED bulbs that stay cool to the touch, so you can place them almost anywhere worry-free. You also don't have to worry about connecting these Starbursts to power. They have a 3-foot lead with a 6-foot extension wire, all low voltage, so it's easy to reach a power outlet. You can shape your Starburst into a bouquet for use in vases, sconces, or urns. Add flowers or other greenery to create truly unique decor. Shape your Starburst into a fan shape for use as a decorative chandelier, a Christmas tree topper, or for ground cover decorating. Or give them a round ornamental shape and hang them from structures or trees to light up your night. Starbursts come in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and styles. Most of these Starbursts feature twinkle lights, but not every light twinkles because that would be just a little too much twinkle going on. So notice how some of these lights twinkle, but not all of them. That way you get the overall effect of twinkle without it being overpowering. These LED mini lights are energy efficient and shatterproof, and the Starbursts are rated for indoor or outdoor use. You can see these Starbursts at christmaslightsetc.com. Just click on the link below, it'll take you right to them. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to get more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button as well. Then get started decorating with your Starbursts, and I'll see you next time.